Is it listed?
No, it's just that's just the algorithm. I would feel a lot better. I would feel great at 62,000. I would buy it just all day. I actually would bucket to this. I would because it's such just drive right up to it. I'd probably put a sign on it and list it for 300 and wait a year. They only had it list. It's only 140 days into the listing.
Well, she clearly wants to sell it because every month she's doing something.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Yeah, because I kind of like what Jack's saying a little bit, or even just keeping her list price. Don't let the end user ever see anything happen to the property.
Yep.
You know, like, and just wait for it. She's just not patient enough to wait for it. I think that by the looks of what Jack was pulling up, we didn't get it pulled up on our some of the stuff, but it looks like a lot of the stuff that was her pricing is correct. It just takes a little bit of time. It's days on market. She's not willing to wait for. If you're willing to wait for it, I think you can get her pricing. And if you don't really alter that listing too much, like with a price wise, because if you drop it by $100,000, everyone's gonna say, "Oh, what the heck is this?
What's wrong with the property?"
So, but then again, it might sell faster. And I guess if you want to sell it faster, I don't know, Michelle.
I would get to the bottom of who's farming this. This person here
is their neighbor. It's not. Is a relative of theirs.
Okay, and they're probably farming it for free, so they're in for a surprise when you own it.
Got it.
That would get to the bottom of that.
This is super helpful. Thanks.
It's a great deal, Michelle.
Yeah.
The other thing I'm glad about is that I priced it right.
Yeah.
Pricing it what feels like too low, or at least that's what the phone calls say, and of course they're not accurate, and then pricing it way too high, so I feel like, ooh, I nailed this one.